this fisherman that was set adrift 106 days was saved. He was saved by a goddamn shark. Wild, right? Hard to believe too. I thought sharks were supposed to be mindless killing machines, but apparently they're able to help out people. This is his story. He said that he was set adrift 106 days. He has his brother-in-law with him too, and they were both dehydrated. He said his brother-in-law died, that's fucked up. He died with him there in the boat, dehydration. He had to bury him at sea. And he said that a storm came, and he was able to fill some jugs he had with water through the storm. And he said, I think he said he said a prayer at one point and everything. And but on September 11th, he said that he awoke to a scratching against the boat. It was a 6-foot shark circling him, nudging the hull, nudging him toward a fishing vessel. And he could see guys, on board with binoculars, and of course they brought him aboard, saved him and everything. I was like, a shark saved him. That's a new one for me, because I don't think I've ever heard of a predator really saving people, or at least a predator that they talk about, like the shark. They talk about the shark just being an eating machine, like that's all it can do. But apparently it's got some intelligence. I guess that whole story is open to interpretation. People be like, nah, he was just trying to tip the boat over eventually or whatever. I don't know, but I think it was cool that the shark saved him. You know what I mean? So it was a cool story. Make sure y'all don't try to repeat his story, because the next time it could go something like this for y'all.